Hey guys, please excuse the hair, the face, the mess. Today is get your shit together day, cleaning day, grocery shopping day, food prep day. So I have, excuse the mess, literally about to clean all this up in a second. About to make some coffee, make some breakfast. I have a Pride event in less than a week. It's probably one of my biggest events. It's one of my biggest money makers. I sold out of almost all the stuff that I had last year. So that was pretty cool. Today, after I literally do everything, clean this entire house, make breakfast, take a shower, I am going to work on some Pride stickers. I'm not going to do any Pride art prints this year because I still actually, even though I said I sold out of a lot of stuff, I still actually have a lot of Pride stuff still laying around from last year. So I'm probably not doing a new print this year. I'm also kind of trying to weed out the art prints for the rebranding journey that I'm going through. But yeah, that will be today.
I can just dish it if you want.
Hey guys, so because I'm a beginning vlogger, the way I make vlogs is kind of all over the place. Because of this, sometimes, not often though, I lose footage. So for context for this next part when I'm making breakfast, I'm giving this tutorial on how I make this weird life hack breakfast that I like to make sometimes when I'm lazy. I call it eggy toast. It's basically when you cut a hole in bread, crack an egg in it, and bake it, and the egg cooks and the bread toasts. And it's kind of weird cool. If you like eggs and toast, you kind of just like cook your egg inside of your toast basically. So the first part that I lost, I explain and go into detail about blah blah blah. I don't really know the origins of this recipe. It's really hard to track down the origins of a recipe, especially these days, because everybody and anybody on the internet is like, well, that's mine, that's mine. Pretty sure I got it from some Facebook mom on TikTok like 5 years ago. Not really sure how much that matters. Oh yes, and step 1 of the tutorial was also cut. Or I guess I should say lost, because I did not cut this on purpose. So basically step 1 is that you grab your favorite baking pan, put some foil over it. You could put either olive oil or butter on the pan. I usually use olive oil. This step helps to fry your bread, so it's basically toast. And then I throw like a pinch of salt in the pan. You put your 2 pieces of bread on the pan, or however many pieces of bread you're going to be eating or serving. Then on to step 2. Now this is the part where you take a cookie cutter and cut a hole into the bread. That's where your egg is gonna go. I didn't have a cookie cutter, so I literally used this thing. Ah yes, for it wouldn't be a good, authentic beginner vlog experience without more missing footage. I promise this is not going to happen very often in the video. But basically what happened this time is that I lost a lot of the footage of me preparing the meal. I lost the footage of me cracking the egg into the hole, seasoning the eggs, putting butter on top of the bread because you gotta put butter on top too, so that also toasts a bit. My boyfriend wanted some breakfast too, so I also transitioned to a bigger pan, which is why I all of a sudden have a bigger pan and more food. And I also explained how you don't have to throw the bread holes away either. You can put regular butter on top of them, or if you're feeling fancy, you could put garlic butter on top of them. Sometimes if I'm feeling fancy, I will put garlic butter on top of the toast. Now, back to the video. Again. And then once it's all seasoned, that goes in the oven. This may seem like more effort than just cooking this, but like if you do not want to stand over a stove first thing in the morning, like, nah, it's really not.
그렇게 가고 있어 yeah, yeah. 알 수 없는 모든 순간들을 난 함께 하고파 No 우리 같은 맘이야 Baby you know I 너만 잊어라 내게 말해줘
새로운 걸 보여줘서 대신할 수 없어 다른 어떤 것도 yeah. Let me teach you baby 나의 모든 걸
Chicken. Look for the cheap chicken.
줄게 춤이 끝나지 않게 사랑이 멈추지 않게 My baby yeah Late at night I think of you Baby late at night I think of you Late at night I think
At Goku City.
Baby late at night I
Damn it.
When I feel
Bruh.
so lonely Let me
Those
love
Goku
you,
O's.
baby. You are so lovely
Stop. I'm gonna drop this damn thing.
I haven't found any like security like lock. Where's the helm?
Hey, baby.
For me? Thank you.
There are times I feel like I'm still trapped underground in that damn.
그냥 곁에 있어줘. 너가 없는 우린 상상할 수 없는 걸. 자망스러운 말들로 다 간지럽히고서 네 옆에 누워 있을게. I know how beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I know how beautiful you are. I'm saying you're beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I know how beautiful you are. Girl, I just want you, you're beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I know how beautiful you are. I'm saying you're beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I know how beautiful you are. 그만 괜찮다면 yeah, yeah, yeah. And I will never change, yeah, yeah. So beautiful, beautiful. 오늘부터는 beautiful. We are, yeah. Yeah, yeah. 상처만 커지는 걸 옆에 누운 널 볼 때마다 따뜻했던 추억들을 왜 자꾸 더럽혀 잘 지내고 있다가도 어김없이 찾아오면 내 맘에 향수만 적시고 가 이 밤의 깊은 숨결들 살며시 내게 녹이거나 아무렇지 않게 떠나가 잊을만 하면 다시 날 찾아와 지울만 하면 널 또 찾아 헤매는데 넌 아무 일 없었다는 듯이 날 거부할 수 없게만 들어 yeah. Oh yeah, I've been thinking of you babe. Oh yeah, I've been thinking of it yeah. 날 어루만져주던 그때 널 붙잡고 있어 상처는 그리움이 되고 지독한 관계를 끊지 못하고 또 내 눈을 멀게 해 잘 지내고 있다가 또 어김없이 밤이 오면 너가 올 그 시간만 기다려 너가 떠난 내 침대 위에 남겨진 잔향이 날 괴롭게 해 yeah, yeah. 잊을만 하면 다시 날 찾아와 지울만 하면 널 또 찾아 헤매는데 넌 아무 일 없었다는 듯이 날 거부할 수 없게만 들어 yeah. 안 될 걸 알면서도 널 끌어안을 때 감당할 대가를 받고 비참하게 남겨진 내 자신보다 네가 너무 싫어 제발 날 좀 놔줘 잊을만 하면 다시 날 찾아와 지울만 하면 널 또 찾아 헤매는데 넌 아무 일 없었다는 듯이 날 거부할 수 없게만 들어 I've been thinking about you all the time, all day, every night. Yeah.